Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Forgive the audio, I'm sitting in the Philadelphia terminal. This video is about RV ham radio. A lot of questions. That's not me and that's not my RV, but there's always lots of questions about how do you do it?
When I decide I want to play radio, I come over to the Node-RED page that I've got set up and I begin turning things on. Turns on the amp, then the tuner, then the main power supply. Tell the antenna disconnect to connect. Turn on the flex remote on. Turn the Maestro on. Now I'm doing a reset because, like I said, it's not without problems. During the day, just like a Windows computer, bugs creep into these things, not necessarily to this, but into the radios in general. So I've done a reset. I've hunted some POTA this morning, having a good time.
But this is an off day and I've got chores to do. This is a table I had originally intended for the inside, the marble looking one there on the right. Watching the hiker guys, I get ideas. I don't have a hiker, but it starts with these brackets. And I'm just going to drill some pilot holes right here in the side. Now I'm not perfect, using my drill as a punch. I finally got a punch, by the way, guys. Drill a hole, and then I'm going to screw this bracket where I've decided I want the table, because this bracket holds up one end of the table. The bracket holds a clamp on the edge of the table. Now let's talk about the clamps. The other part of the bracket. It sits on the bottom, and I've cut a spot and screwed that bracket to the bottom of the table, and the table sits right in the pocket of the bracket. Now on the other side of the table is a single leg. I picked that up at Amazon too. The leg collapses with this friction knob, and it also folds down flat with the table. Bracket in the center, and it's not rocket science, I'm just eyeballing it. A couple of wood screws, pilot hole, gotta be careful not to go through the top of the table, and I screw that right down to the bottom of the table. There's a bracket on each side of the table on the trailer side. Fits right into those pockets of the bracket holders on the trailer, and I've got a table. Saw this or something just like this watching Kyle Alpha 0Z. Head on over there and check out his channel. He's got two channels, one for his hiker trailer and one for his ham radio. Time to go back inside and play ham radio.
Tell the Maestro to connect my radio using the 3.10.10 software. Takes about, I don't know, a minute in total for it to hook up, but when I get to that point, it's about 30-40 seconds. So it takes longer to explain than they actually do. It's click, 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 and away we go. Come over to my Parks in the Air page, see who's logged me from yesterday, and go to spots. Peek over my head and make sure my antenna's tracking me, and we'll try 310. Can't hear Tennessee. Maine, I gotta get well, I just tried Maine. I just got K9 Alpha Juliet Charlie in Missouri.
Kilo Romeo 4 Alpha November Foxtrot.
Now, if you can hear that, that's someone that is trying to reach this gentleman in Tennessee. Let's try New Hampshire 233.
Alpha Cal 4 Mike X-Ray. I got you 5-4 New Hampshire.
And I've got him loud and clear.
Alrighty, well thank you for the 5-7 in Kentucky. You have a great day at 73.
I'll go over here and...
Alright, this is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
Copy this information, and I'll respot him so I don't forget. I'll go over here to the World Radio League.
I got you 5-4 into my part. You had 4-9-5-1.
And I'll paste what I just copied from the POTA page into the notes on World Radio League. Then I'll take a piece of that, the call sign, and place it right there and all ready to go.
Alrighty, this is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey.
Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. I got you 5-9, New Hampshire.
Thanks for 5-9. You're a 5-9 all day long. I'm in North Carolina today. November Charlie, QSL.
Alrighty, well, thank you for the 5-9 in North Carolina. You have a great day in 73.
73. So I got him. World Radio League usually puts the frequency in there, but in this case they didn't, so I'm going to change it. 14.233. Guys, I'm fighting a head cold. Now I check the note, 4951, send it. I check the part, 4951, send it, and log it. There he is right there in the mileage. If I refresh it, mileage pops up. So I like World Radio League a lot, and I'll tell you why I like it. It's got all my information in here. It's now forwarding straight. There is Alpha Charlie 1 Romeo Hotel in QRZ. It's forwarding straight to QRZ. And it sort of gamifies a bit. So if you go to the leaderboard, and I'm not bragging, I just happen to be, because someone's going to take it away from me here pretty soon. I'm on the leaderboard for CW contacts 13, and you can go down to your state, and again, someone's going to take it away from me, but I'm at the top of the leaderboard for contacts and CW and DX contacts, but someone's going to take it away, but it gamifies it, so it's something that's stop back and take a look at. Here's a gentleman who's doing a POTA. He runs into a hunter that wants to be chatty, and he just chats with him. And you run into these sometimes. This is a gentleman who wants to chat. So, as an activator, what do? Do you just slow it down and go with him? And Jason here is being a gentleman as well. Now all the other hunters are losing their damn mind. It's like, moving along! But, hey, Jason's running his activation. Perfect. And the hunter did not get the hint. He's continuing with the classic QSO. He's telling about his rig down. Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. I'll take the 5-6. You're a 5-9, 5-9. I'm in North Carolina today, November Charlie, QSL. Have a good one, 73. Thanks. There we go. Tell you guys thanks for stopping by. This video was a little forced. I got a head cold that's really killing me, probably a sinus infection. I'm going to go to the doctor. You guys, thanks for stopping by.